Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to generate cinematic AI B-roll video for YouTube using Runway Gen-3. So if you want professional looking visuals without recording everything yourself, then this video can save a lot of time. First, open Runway and go to the AI video generation section. The most important part is writing a good prompt. So instead of saying something simple like a city, describe exactly what you want. You can include details like the location, camera movement, lighting, mood, and style. For example, you can describe a cinematic drone shot, a close-up scene, or a realistic documentary style clip. After generating your video, you can review the clips, and if the clip is not what you wanted, improve your prompt and generate another version. Once you have the clips you like, download them and add them to your editing timeline. You can use AI B-roll for intros, transitions, storytelling, and explaining ideas visually. So that was how to generate cinematic AI B-roll video for YouTube using Runway Gen-3. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.